In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Playtime Luck in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So here's basically what it is. Just next to your garden over here, not on this side where there's your name, but on this side where it says Grow All, you can see there's now a new table which says Playtime Luck. Okay, now what this Playtime Luck is, essentially it shows you how much luck you're getting for your playtime. So me over here, it says currently I'm active, and over here I get plus 0% luck. However, when you are active for over 5 minutes, you get plus 10% luck. For 10 minutes, plus 25% luck. For 25 minutes, you get plus 50% luck. And then for 45 minutes, 75, and for 75 minutes, you get plus 100% luck, which means, of course, the longer you're playing the game, the more lucky you're gonna get. And what luck will do is basically, I do believe it's gonna increase your mutation chances, so you'll get more rainbow and golden fruits, as well as, I think, likely you'll have a better chance of getting some different seeds, and everything, all your luck in the game will basically just get boosted, okay? So, yeah, that's pretty much how you get Playtime Luck. You just get it by playing. It's of course not that hard to understand. You just have to be playing, and with that you'll get yourself some Playtime Luck, which you can then of course use to basically get better plants, make more money, etc. in the game. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.